Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Honeywell portable air conditioner is acting unusual, not cooling properly, showing strange behavior, or refusing to respond to settings, performing a reset may help bring everything back to normal. Sometimes the unit may stop responding after a power interruption, display unexpected settings, or turn on and off differently than before. Since a Honeywell portable air conditioner includes built-in controls to manage cooling and airflow, a quick reset can often clear temporary system issues and refresh performance. Many users think something major is wrong right away, but in many situations, the fix is much simpler than expected. The good part is that resetting the air conditioner usually only takes a few minutes and does not require any special tools. In this video, I will show you step by step how to reset a Honeywell portable air conditioner. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Honeywell portable air conditioner and unplug the Honeywell portable air conditioner from the power outlet. Step 2. Leave the Honeywell portable air conditioner unplugged for several minutes to allow the Honeywell portable air conditioner system to reset. Step 3. Check the filter and airflow area of the Honeywell portable air conditioner while the Honeywell portable air conditioner is off. Step 4. Plug the Honeywell portable air conditioner back into the outlet and restart the Honeywell portable air conditioner. Step 5. Set the Honeywell portable air conditioner to your preferred cooling mode and temperature after the Honeywell portable air conditioner powers on. Step 6. Test the Honeywell portable air conditioner and confirm the Honeywell portable air conditioner is working normally again.